formatted input to read integer number. Okay, here is a int a comma b, scanf %2d %5d %a %b. Okay, printf %d a comma b, scanf %2d %5d %a %b. Okay, printf %d a comma b. Here a and b two integer variable. Okay, scanf %2d %5d %a %b. Here user input 50 and here user input suppose 31420. Okay, printf %d a comma b. Here output is 50 31420. Output is here 50. This %d print a has value 50, so 50 is printed here. This %d print b. Okay, and b has value 31420, so 31420 printed here. Class, here is a 2d and here is a %5d. So value between % and d, the value between % and d is called field width. Here field width is 2 and here field width is 5. Normally we are using the %d in scanf, but here we use %2d %5d. You can also use %10d %200d %500d also. So class, here what is the effect of this %2d %5d on receiving these inputs or reading these inputs? Okay, so this to signify that this %2d only receive first 2 digits of number. If you mention the field width, then this scanf only take the digits up to field width. So here is a %2d, so this scanf read the first number up to 2 digit. So whatever number is supplied here, scanf read only 2 digit of that number. Okay, here is a 5d %5d. You have mentioned the field width, then scanf function read second number up to 5 digit. Okay, because here is a 5. So luckily here is a 2d and this number has also 2 digit. Here is a 5d, this number has also 5 digit. So no problem. What number you have entered, the numbers here entered is same as this configuration. Here is a 2, first number has 2 digit. Here is a 5, second number have 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5. So no problem, whatever you have supplied here is basically graphed here, input here, Okay, now we are going to print through the printf function. Printf %d a %d b. So this %d print a, this %d print b. So a has value 50 and b has value 31420. So there is a no problem. Class, suppose here number is exchanged. User input here suppose 31420 and user input here 50. Then what will be the effect of this 2D and 5D in scanf? So let us see, class. Here is a %2D. You have mentioned the field width. That's why scanf function only take the number up to 2 digit. So this %2D input number in %a. Here is a number has 5 digit, but here is a 2D. So scanf function only receive first 2 digit. Scanf function only receive first 2 digit in A, because here is a 2D and here is a 5D, and this number is used to input the second number, but here is a remaining part of first number. So this remaining part is inputted here. Remaining part is inputted here. What about 50? The second number 50 waiting for another scanf. Okay, so 31. So first 2 digit of first number is inputted in A, and remaining 3 digit of first number is inputted in B, and 50 now waiting for another scanf. No doubt user has input these two numbers, but scanf read 31 to A and 420 to B of first number. Okay, because you have mentioned 2D, so this 2D can read up to 2 digit of supplied number, and this 5D number receive remaining part of first digit because it is in sequence. Okay, and this 50 comes late, that's why it waiting for another scanf, because 420 is input here. You may say there is a remaining 2 space and 50 can accommodate. No. Okay, it will not take the 50 because 31 is inputted here and 420 is inputted here. It %5D does not receive this 50. Okay, so output here, what will be the output? Printf %d print A, this %d print B. So A has value 31, so 31 is printed, and B has value 420, so 421 is printed, and 50 is waiting for another scanf. If you have scanf in sequence, then first 50 will receive. If you have another scanf, because it is waiting first in the sequence. So this is the formatted input for integer number. Formatted input for real number for characters is same. Okay, that is the normal. Formatted input for, this is the formatted input for formatted input. This is the formatted input for to read the integer number. Okay, but to read the real number, to read the character, it is same. There is no difference between formatted input for real number and character number. Okay, so formatted input for real number and character number is same as normal, but for integer number there is a difference. So that's why we have mentioned this. Okay, formatted output, printing integer number. Okay, printf %d integer number is 9070. Okay, printf %2d 9070, printf %7d 9070, printf %-7d 9070, printf %07d 9070. Okay, class B print the value normally as %d, %f, %c, %ld, but here we are going to print the numbers using %d, %2d, %7d, %-7d, %07d, %100, %200. Okay, so we can use these type of printf and format specifier here. So here there is a hidden one, %1d. Normally we use this %d. Okay, but here we are using various type of format specifier, where there are numbers %2d, %7d, %-7d. These numbers are called field width. Okay, these numbers are called field width. So what will be the effect of these field width on output? Okay, we are going to check what will be the effect of these field width on output. So class, here there is a 1 is a hidden here. Okay, when field width is less than number of digits of a value, okay, then it printed normally. Here field width is by default 1. %d means %1d. 1 is hidden here. So 1 field width is 1. 1 is less than number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits in this value. So it printed normally 9070, and block will be number of digit. Number of block will be equal to number of digit. So there are 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 4 block 1, 2, 3, 4, and this printer print 9070 normally. Okay, when field width is less than number of digits of a value, print normally. Okay, here class field width is 2 and number of digits are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of digits of value 9070 has 4. So 2 is less than 4. 2 is the field width and value has number of digit 4. So 2 is less than 4. In this case, this will be printed normally. Okay, 9070 printed normally, and number of block equal to number of digits. Here class there are 7, so there will be 7 block. Okay, there will be 7 block, and %7d printed 9070. Here class field width is greater than number of digits of this value. So there will be 7 block, and we can print these 9070 in 7 block with format. Okay, so here is a positive, here is a plus, so it will be right justified. This 9070 printed right side, and leave these blocks and printed right side. Okay, when this will be minus, then -7d, then there will be 7 block, and this number printed left side. Means when there will be minus, there will be negative, number printed in left side means left justified, and when there will be a positive, then this number printed in right justified. Class, there are 2D, so in 2 blocks you cannot accommodate 9070, okay, and you cannot justify it left justified or right justified, okay. Here is a 1D, in 1 block you cannot accommodate it and justified 9070, and you cannot justify 9070. So when field width is less than number of digits of a value that you want to print, then it printed normally and occupy the number of blocks equal to number of digits. But when field width is greater than number of digits of a value that we want to print, then we can shift these value left side or right side, or you can say we can print these value left justified or right justified, okay. So when field width is greater than number of digits, then we can format, otherwise number will be printed normally. When there is a positive, it will be left justified, it will be right justified. When there is a negative, it will be left justified, okay. And when there is a positive and 0 before 7, there is a 0 also, then vacant blocks occupy the 0, because here is a 0, here is a %07D, okay. So there will be 7 block, and this 7 is a field width, and this field width is greater than number of digits, so we can justify this number, okay, in 7 blocks. So there is a positive, so it will be right justified, so number will be printed right side, from right side, and remaining blocks which are previously vacant are filled by zeros, because here is a 0, okay. So class, you can also use field width 100, 200, 500. Using field width, you can print the number either from left, either from right, okay. You can make a pattern also by shifting the number right side, left side, and by varying the field width, you can print the pattern, you can make a pattern of these numbers, okay class. So a printing integer numbers, so that's why there is a %d, 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 %d. But when you are going to printing the real number, then in place of %d there will be %f. So here is a %f. So class, here is a 7.4f, 7.2f, minus 7.2f, %e. So class, after decimal there are 4. This so that number have precision after decimal is 4 place, okay. Here is a after decimal 2 place, here is a after decimal 2 place. So what will be the output? Class, this is the real number, there is a decimal point, this is the real number, and we are going to print this real number using %f. But between %f there is a number 7.4. This is the field width, and here is a %f. Between % and f there is a number, that is the 7.2. This is also field width, okay class. So field width, here is a field width 7.4. So 7 is a number of block, and 4 so the we are going to print the number up to 4 decimal point, okay. So this printer print this number, there are 7 blocks, so there is a 7 blocks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 blocks, and this number is printed 90.7050. This number is printed, okay. Here is a 7.5. Now this printer print this number up to two decimal place. Okay, so this printf print 90.71. This is round off basically. 0.7050, when it rounds up to decimal 2 point, it becomes 0.71. So 9.71. Class, there is a 2 space remaining, because in this there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are requirement of 7 blocks, but here 2 digit. Here are after decimal 4 digit. Here are after decimal 2 digit. So 2 blocks are remaining. Okay, there are plus here, so it is right justified. Here is a minus, so it will be the left justified. So 9071 is printed from left side. You consider it beginning it. This is the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning, class. Suppose this is the beginning. So this number is printed from this from beginning like this. This number is printed after the 2 decimal points, so 2 blocks will be remaining here. So this will printed from right side because there is a plus. This number is printed from left side because there is a negative, so the left justification of number. Okay, here is a %e. %e print the real number in exponential form. So this number in exponential form will be 9.070500, because real number print the real number up to 6 decimal place. So after decimal place there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why extra 0 is here. Extra 0 is here because we make it 6th place. After decimal 6th place. Okay, here is a e, here is a plus 0, 1, because B point this decimal number, because B place this decimal number here. So there will be 1 place plus 0, 1. E signify the exponent. Okay, this is the power of 10. You can consider it power of 10. This signify the exponent. So E plus 0, 1. So printing real number is like this. It is same like this, but here are 0.4 also, 0.2 also. This signify the number of place after decimal point in printed value, in output printed value. Okay, and minus, so the left justification, plus, so the there is a plus by default, plus, so the right justification, this, so the left justification, means number start from left side, number start to print from left side. Right justification means number start to print from right side. Okay, now printing the characters. Char ch equal to asterisk. This is the character constant, this is the character variable, and this is the character type. Okay, we are going to print this this character constant. Printf %c ch, this one is ch. Printf %4c, this is one ch. So class, this printf print ch. Suppose this is the beginning from where compiler print. Okay, this is the beginning. So this ch has asterisk constant, character constant. So %c print this ch, which is asterisk, and %4c print this ch. There are this %c print this ch at 4th place. Okay, so this is the 1, this is the 1 place, this is the 2 place, this is the 3 place, and this is the 4th place. So it take space. So there is a 3 space, and it print the print this ch at 4th place. So if you consider this is the place 1, this is place 2, this is place 3, this is place 4. So %4c, so this printf print ch at 4th place. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4th. So this so at 4th place. So this printf print here, this printf print here. In this way class, you can also make pattern like this. You can also make pattern like this by using field width. Okay, here is a %c, here will be %c, %2c. Okay, so in this way you can also print this pattern using this type of this field width. Okay, class, when you print these number, then computer output console does not show these blocks, but you have space equal to these blocks. Okay, the output screen does not show these blocks, but there is a space equivalent to these blocks. Blocks will not show there, but these space will be there, equivalent to these blocks. Okay class, we just make blocks to understand this concept, but output screen does not show these blocks, but space will be there. Means this number is printed after this space. This number is printed after this space in output screen. Okay, formatted output, printing string. So to print the string constant, we use format specifier %s. Okay, here is a %s, but between % and s there is a number. Here is by default 1, here is a 5, here is a 2, here is a 0.2. So these numbers are called field width. So what will be the effect of these field width? Okay, let us see. Here char a of 5 equal to Raj. This is the string constant and this is the array of characters, which is called string. So A is an array of characters. It contains at most 5 elements. Okay, and this is the string constants in array A. A has Raj. Raj has 3 letters. 1, 2, 3. But A can store up to 5 letters. Okay class? So no problem. Here is a 5. Now we are going to print %sa. Raj will be printed. This is the normal case, what we have used till now. Okay, %sa. Class, here is this is the normal case. A has dimension 5. So for all printf there will be 5 blocks. 5 blocks, 5 blocks, 5 blocks, 5 blocks, because there is a array size 5. So there will be 5 blocks at each printf, for each printf. Okay, but class, here is a 1. 1 is less than, class, here is a 1. Class, here is a 1 and 1 is a field width. When field width is less than number of characters or number of digits, okay, in that case that number or that digits are string printed normally. So class, here class 1 is less than number of digits 1, 1, 2, 3. Field width is less than number of characters or number of digits, so it printed normally. So there, these 5 blocks basically basically by array dimension. The 5 blocks are made because of array size 5. Okay, here is a field width 1. 1 is a less than number of characters here, that is 3. So field width is 1, number of character is 3. Field width is less than number of character, so it printed normally. Here is a %5s. 5 is a field width. Raj has 3 character, so field width is greater than number of characters. So B can justify or B can format that string. So here B can format that string. There is a possibility here because field width is greater than number of characters. So here is 5 and array size is also 5. So B can print this A in either left side or right side. Okay, because here is a 5. So in 5 blocks B can move this Raj left or right. But here is a positive sign by default, so it is right justified. So Raj is printed from the right side. Here is class 2s. 2 is less than 2. This is the field width. This field width is less than number of characters, that is 3 here. So it printed normally. Okay class. Here is a %.2s. .2s. Here is this decimal point, decimal 2s. So it show the number of character in string. So string character has 3, but here is a 2. It means only 2 character will be printed. Okay. Now suppose printf %.1s a as a string here, and in this case there will be only R. Okay, in this case only R. Suppose printf %-5s. Here is a minus sign. Okay, here is a minus a. In this case there will be also 5 blocks because array dimension is 5. Okay, and here is a 5. Field width is 5. 5 is greater than Raj, number of character in Raj string. So B can justify the string either left justified or right justified, because there is a negative, that's why it is left justified. So Raj is printed from left side. Okay class. Another question. Printf %. B cannot use 6. B cannot use 6, 7, 8 because array size has maximum limit 5. So B can use here field width up to 5. If you want to increase the field width, then you have to increase the array size also. So B cannot take 6. B cannot take field width 6. Suppose B take 4. Now what will be? This block size have 5 blocks. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 blocks, and here is a 4. 4 is greater than number of characters in Raj. So B can justify. Okay, it will be right justified because here is a positive sign by default. So here, so B can write Raj like this, R-A-J, and this one block will be here. This is plus sign, that's why it is right justified, and here is a 4, so it formatted within 4 blocks. So first 4 blocks it is written like this.